Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons. You need to begin by holding your device's screen and tapping on icons at the bottom. Following that, swipe left or right on icon slider to adjust size of them. You can check out preview above. When you find the perfect size, in order to save it, hit apply. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!